Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte and today I'll be talking to you about why I chose postgraduate studies. So I am currently a student on the Masters in Foundations in Clinical Psychology course here at Newcastle University. This program was actually the only master's course that I applied to, and this was because I really liked the structure of the course, specifically one module, the Research Apprenticeship module. Within this module, we are able to work with a group of researchers and publish a paper in their areas of expertise. And so, since my final goal was to become a clinical psychologist, that means I have to do the clinical doctorate, I needed some more research experience, and I felt that this course would provide me with this research experience that I needed. And of course, in this train of thought, some people would have asked me why didn't I decide to choose to pursue a master's in research rather than a taught master's. Well, this is because I personally felt like, firstly, I didn't know of any research that I wanted to undertake, so I felt like I couldn't do the application well. But also, I really like that this program has this taught part, which gives us a lot of training and also a very inside glimpse of how of what jobs that we can do after graduating. So we do things like case formulation, and we do role plays on like pretending to be a therapist or a patient, and to do like formulation assessments, that sort of thing, which would not have been possible in a master's in research course. As I mentioned earlier, this master's course it's also a really big stepping stone for me to pursue my further studies, which the plan is currently to do the doctorate in clinical psychology. Right now I'm working on two research projects that hopefully one is definitely going to be published, and I'm hoping that the other one's going to get published too. So it's a very exciting time, and that I'm learning so much. There's also the aspect of letting me opening my eyes to seeing whether if the doctorate is really for me. We have modules and we're going into like role plays and stuff like that, which would be very much similar to what I'll be doing in my next future job, which is an assistant psychologist, hopefully. And it's just giving me a chance to see whether I really do enjoy it before I make a further investment into my future career. That is a summary of why I decided to pursue postgraduate studies. Well, I hope that helped, and thank you very much for watching. Bye!